And I just wanted to quickly show you the Solargraf integration. So now if you go here to integrations, others, you will have Solargraf within Sunvoy. And we're going to just copy and paste the API key here and connect to Solargraf. And now what happens in the background, we sync all the designs from Solargraf with our database of systems and projects. And if I go to a particular project, actually, so here we have a system from Enphase, we have a project from HubSpot, and it's now associated with a design in Solargraf. And what we do there, if there are multiple designs, we just pick the one that has been signed off by the customer. And if I go to performance, I can see the kilowatt production over the last year, for example. But I can't compare this yet with anything because we don't have any estimated production data. If I scroll down here, estimated production data, month by month, we have no values for that. But I can go on edit setting and now choose Solargraf. I'm just going to save this quickly. And now it should be filling in automatically the estimated data from Solargraf. So if I go back up, our graph is updated. I now have the estimated production and the actual production. And I can, of course, compare it over any time I want. So for example, in this case, I'm comparing over 12 months. And I can do this on a system-by-system basis. But obviously, I think we showed this to you before, I can do this as well aggregated for the whole fleet. So for all my Enphase and any other inverter systems across the fleet, all that have a design in Solargraf, I can compare the actual production versus the estimate.